Hi guys, let's talk about a few essential business verbs and nouns. Verbs: add, call, choose, divide, drop, fall, inform, install, invoice, manage, mention, process, promise, reach, remove. And now nouns: budget, costs, confirmation, employee, employer, facilities, for, guarantee, industry, payment, and promotion, reminder, report, result, support. The verbs: add. Could you add these terms to our contract, please? Call. I was called to a meeting this evening. Choose. They chose Robert to be the new department manager. Divide. They divided the money equally after their firm was sold. Drop. She dropped her phone in the middle of the meeting. Fall. Salaries are expected to fall by 10% due to the economic crisis. Inform. I informed the manager about the issues we have with that project. Install. Our data is at risk. We have to install a new security system. Invoice. The company will invoice you whenever you buy a product from us. Manage. We have to manage all this work by the end of the week. Mention. Can you mention my ideas to your leader? Process. Your application to study abroad takes 30 days to process. Promise. The leader has promised that he will raise the salaries by the end of the month. Reach. We reached the conclusion that there is nothing we could do about the leadership change. Remove. He has been removed from the firm. Budget. We don't have a budget to buy new types of equipment this year. Costs. Our advertising costs are too high. We need to cut them. Confirmation. We only have one confirmation for the booking. Employee. The number of employees is lower this year. Employer. Could you send me a reference about you from your former employer? Facilities. We provide some of the best recreational facilities for our workers. Fall. There was a fall in the price of petrol last month. Guarantee. There is no guarantee our meeting will lead to a deal. Industry. Our government is trying to attract industry to our town by increasing the number of funds in the area. Payment. I haven't received any receipt for my payment. Promotion. Did you get the promotion you wanted? Reminder. Could you send him a final reminder about his payment? Report. Is the company's annual report ready? Result. What is the financial result of our project? Support. I signed a petition in support of the campaign to end the deforestation in our country. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more video lessons and give us a like.